If you want to use memory card with your Samsung Galaxy A37, then in that case, unfortunately, you cannot really use the SIM tray that we have, of course, inside our phone, and we cannot put our microSD card into that SIM tray in order to just directly use the microSD card, simply because there is no dedicated microSD card slot in there. So what you can do instead is you can use an additional accessory such as a memory card reader that allows you to simply put the microSD card into the memory card reader. And there we go. And then with the USB-C cable, we want to connect it to our phone. Of course, I can understand that this method is very inconvenient to use on a daily basis, simply because no one really wants to walk around with additional accessory attached to our phone. So it's very inconvenient to use normally. But of course, whenever you want to access the microSD card storage, maybe you want to transfer some files between the phone and the microSD card, then you can still do that with the help of the memory card reader. So while we probably don't really want to use it all the time, it can be used in specific situations where you want to just simply access the storage. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.